Alright, today is December 31st, 2022, and we're here to see the Old Piano Factory shop, and it's in Ripley, Ohio. And it's an antique shop, so come along.
Yeah.
Alright. And this is the Old Piano Factory shop, Ripley, Ohio. And this is the front of the actual antique store. And this is inside the Old Piano Factory Antique Mall. And it is open 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday, and 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. on Sunday. And they have a vintage metal Ferris wheel, $125. And they have the Steinberg's gumball machine. And this item is only $20. And it's beautiful. And they have a vintage Crossley radio. $95. And they have all different types of lighters. They have Zippo, Sherman lighters. There are at least 30 to 35 lighters on this shelf. This is Germany lead crystal from 1984. And they have $10 on this particular item. And they have a vintage bird cage, which I find to be pretty interesting. And they have $70 on this item. And they have an English bike here, and it looks to be about $200. And the detail in the seating is nice. And within the antique shop, they have windows, but it's a room just right off the side here, but it looks like a window in a home, and they have the window decorated. And it makes it feel very homey, very, very sweet, very nice. And this is inside the antique shop. This antique shop is massive. And in the past, this building has been used to manufacture pianos and to even make parachutes in World War II. And throughout the antique shop, they're all decorated up. Every booth I've seen here so far is clean, nice, good quality items without question, and reasonably priced. And I find this item here very interesting. This is a miner's hat. And this is another room of the antique shop. And they have an old-time churner here. You take the handle and you move it, and it would churn the liquid.
Very unique.
Very nice. And this particular antique shop is beautiful. It even has hardwood floors. And the doors going out are beautiful as well. And they have a Singer sewing machine, the Singer Manufacturing Company, and the detail is very unique. And they have a whisker sewing basket here, and you keep all of your items inside. And this is another overview of the antique shop. And the light fixture within the building looks pretty vintage. And this is very decorative, and it says vintage. And I find this to be pretty cool. This is a vintage smoking pipe. And the average price looks to be about from $18 to $30. And this is a view outside a window of the antique shop. And this is Ripley, Ohio. And that's the Ohio River. And it has a lot of fog right now. And they have a telephone booth here inside the antique shop. And they have a whole slew of cookie cutters here. This is the most cookie cutters I've ever seen in one place. And they're 50 cents each. And it's actually on both sides. And they have Man on the Moon, July 20th, 1969. And they have Loveland Castle, which is in Loveland, Ohio. The old Piano Factory Antique Mall is an unusual destination filled with varying types of unique shops. With 16 independent vendors, there is always a treasure to be found.
One time that had like 10 copies of the newest Star Wars. They could like put down his pants. Oh, God. You know, just like things like that. Or like that kind of stuff.
Alright, that was the Old Piano Antique Mall in Ripley, Ohio. If you like that, please subscribe, leave comments, ring the bell, whatever you like to do there. Very unique place, very nice. Alright. Alright, thank you so much for watching and see you all next time. Bye-bye.
Yes, Red Oak Church, Red Oak Presbyterian Church. It's a beautiful rock church.
Okay, which way is it?
When you go down here and go out the